Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly reading, third week of August. Okay, this is going to be love and career. So if you have any questions on your mind, do think about them so that you can get your answers. You've got very good cards. Let me just give you a hint. We are going to start with your love life first. You've got the prophetess and the completed world. Wow, what a beautiful reading, I must say. And even for your career, which I'm going to show you. Let me just start first with the prophetess card. I do see that you are an intuitive being, or at least this week your intuition is on point. Whatever you're guessing about your love life, your relationships, your partner, all that is actually true. If you think you are in no contact, okay, and you think that this is not over, your partner is going to come back, or he's missing you, or if you think otherwise, it is all true. With the completed world, I do feel that this week a lot of happiness, love, and contentment is going to come your way, which means whatever is happening right now is going to make you very happy. Very good time for reconciliation. So I do see either you or they will contact you and there will be a reconciliation, which will make you feel like, oh my God, I'm complete now. You know, that feeling of incompleteness, emptiness that you're feeling right now because of your partner, like lack of love or your partner not being there is going to be resolved. If you guys are in a long distance, you both might come together, okay, this week, and that's why you both are feeling complete. If you have been single for a very long time, you might just find somebody, the right one, and you will feel whole again. So no matter if you are in a situationship, relationship, or marriage, all of you who are watching this, you're going to feel complete. And if you fall in that category where you're not looking for any partner and you already have big kids and all that stuff, know that love relationship means your own family, children, parents, and friendships also. So no matter, like I said, your situationship is whatever you are going through right now, you will feel content, grateful, and happy to be where you are. Good relationship with your siblings, parents, and good friendships at this point of time. You will be very happy. You will feel whole and loved again. So very good cards, I must say. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the Three of Spades and the Fortitude. You will see that success is beginning to develop this week. Like you will start hearing appreciation from your bosses, from your clients, right? Or you will start seeing some sort of results and fame coming your way, money coming your way. Now, the cards are also saying that you still have a very long way to go. Okay, like this is not over, this is just the beginning. And if you are wanting to go ahead in life and do something, you might have to show a lot of strength and courage. I do feel that you're capable of much more, but you are hesitating in some way. If you need to ask someone for help, please do, because I do see there's a powerful person around you who can really help you. Like if you're not getting any job, if you want to apply for a job, you're not getting any promotion, go ask for it, right? Ask for help. There will be the right people who will come and help you. Also, same goes for your business. If you think you need to ask some guidance, how to set up a business, how to get the clients, take the appropriate help and you will get it. But you will have to come out of your comfort zone. This week is action oriented. If you keep on sitting, waiting that somebody will come and help you or the opportunity will just fall into your lap, that is not what is going to happen. You will have to go out there, right? So, courage, strength, very important for you. When you do that, you will see how much success, power you can attract, authoritative positions you can attract towards yourself. So, it's a very good card. So please, if you're thinking of anything, go forward, do it. This is a week to take action and not sit on it. Okay. So I would suggest this is a very good reading for you guys. So do comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that it manifests faster for you. And yes, this was a general reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, if you have very specific questions on your mind, do book a personal reading. If you have more than one questions, you can always go for a package which where you will also get a free remedy. There are fixed set of questions that I have drafted for people like a very frequently asked question. Okay, so check that out. That's very reasonable. Apart from that, I do have 10% discount going on my audio video call sessions only. Audio video call sessions and spiritual counseling sessions, which are also on audio video. These two services have 10% discount going on. So if you want to take these services, we were waiting for discounts. This is the time for you. Apart from that, if you are in no contact, No contact reading is available if you want to know the connection of your love, where is it going, what was the past and present and future. You can book your Mystic Red Rose love reading also. To make any booking, check out the description box, email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Please guys follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting the prices on my daily stories, so you will get an idea. Very budgeted, accurate and same day readings available. Okay, powerful readings, powerful rituals also available. This is a perfect time to do rituals. So if you missed 8-8 portal, if you missed the full moon, the next 4 days are still very auspicious. So please take this time out to start the rituals that you want to do and see the magic happen. Alright. So this was your amazing, beautiful weekly reading. Have a good day. Take care of yourself and we are going to meet each other very soon. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. That's it. And you're done. Take care. Bye bye.